Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's video is all Matric Intermediate student will be passed. Education Minister meeting easy exam not possible from filling publishers in date and fill it drip feet 3000 pass it. Islamabad, the government directed on Monday to pass all student class X and 10 and 9 because here pending coronavirus station the following value contact with number active cases still meaning high level more than 90,000. That despite the Matric Intermediate student taking draft provides meeting education Minister client Federal Minister Shifkat Mahmood is noted that because the exam failing students we are longer possible in near future. The final exam the student will have had between May and July. The meeting detected that due the coronavirus section intermediate exam will be not possible. The education will find what gave disconnect 33 marks said economic. The meeting also detect the metric intermediate exam word costed 3 years and second exam word cancel client 8. Supplement exam source said that next metric exam word contact my June and academy word black login August. Rate Ministry Okara marks and climb a student. The economy comes average started coronavirus vaccine of 15 years old for Monday. The before it will be product be form of registration. Secretary Health Dr. Nasir Hamid said. An interview Dr. Hamid said that the National Command and Operation Center NGOC with supplies the government anti-COVID strategy had already approved the emergency use the visa vaccine at children between 15 and 18 years. About the possible breeding section, Dr. Hamal said national possible ratio and entries high medical expert we have views once country got the hard economy numbers of case would come down COVID level. The CEO said daily update national tracking active COVID-19 cases some down 9,545 on Monday is 2,988 more people tested. Daily vaccine wise will 3,391 people made full recovered at the past 40 hours. National possible radiate 5.62%. Also rate gave it covered jobs student is school reported. I was first time sent to 30 June the CNN fresh covered case fill before 3000 level among the national in OCS said present virus COVID detected health access countries critical. The farm of said also 6.2 of women 100 Trump's hospital increased 24 hours at on media during the post 40 hours 24 hours rating national debt from December 2000 2006 most deaths of since following by Khyber Pakhtunkhwa KPK is monthly national access increased detected scientific countries in February 2020 rose and 1.2.207.508 of women 1.09.0176 people has recovered which detected shift recovery ratio and more than 90%. Newtown online jobs the USA pay than USA state online jobs United States online jobs that visit the website makeup hours and follow run apply forward recover.com source what is favor where delivery action customer needed topic personal assistant you are earning for every follow always receive pointed delivery fee 100% of trips maximum fixable a few requirements with fiber went return subscribe my channel for latest mission update a few requirements at that time must have iPhone Android you should wear best transportation you have clear record like my video subscribe my channel for latest mission update thanks for watching